If you have an older Genie IntelliCode screw drive garage door opener that makes an absolute racket, this is how you can tell it's a screw drive. It probably just needs to be lubricated. Genie sells their own specific lubricant. It comes in a 3-pack of these small little tubes. One tube is for one application. So I'm going to hit the button so you can hear what it sounds like before, which is really loud. And I just applied, again, one tube of this, which I will leave a link to in the description of this, to that track. Just one bead all along that length is basically the perfect amount. And now this is how much quieter it is. So much quieter. Screwdriver will make noise like it is now, but obviously you can tell that that is a lot quieter than what it was the first time. Link to this magic in the description.